Welcome to World Gestures. Today's topic is about iMac with Retina 5K display designs, a true work of art and physics. Precision and innovation have always been a part of the iMac story. Bringing the Retina 5K display to the 27-inch iMac was no different. It meant making incredible leaps in design at every level, from engineering the brains of the display to maintaining 1 to 100 of a micron tolerance within the display cell, not to mention putting 4 times as many pixels and the power to drive them inside, all without compromising the amazingly thin iMac design. 14.7 million pixels, layers of innovation. To engineer the world's first iMac with a Retina 5K display, we had to rethink every component, and with 23 layers that make up the 1.4 mm display panel assembly alone, it's innovation too small to see with the naked eye, but it takes only one look to appreciate. While we were at, we made advancements to improve not only the resolution but also the quality of the entire iMac display. So in addition to the incredible detail, now you will see blacker blacks, more vibrant colors and images that practically jump off the screen. Display panel 1.4 mm thin, orchestrating the performance of 14.7 million pixels, a more advanced timing controller. The timing controller, or TCON, is the brains of the display. It tells each pixel what to do and when to do it. Because iMac with Retina 5K display has 4 times as many pixels as the standard 27-inch iMac display, the TCON had to be able to handle more information than ever. But even the most powerful timing controllers available couldn't manage this number of pixels, so we had to create a new one with 4 times the bandwidth of the previous generation 27-inch iMac up to 40 Gbps. Now a single supercharged chip beautifully orchestrates the symphony of all 14.7 million pixels. Oxide TFT. The heart of the display panel is the TFT, or thin film transistor. The TFT transports the electrical charge to each individual pixel. By manufacturing an oxide-based TFT more manufacturing precisely than had ever been done before, we enable each pixel to change quicker and stay charged longer. This was essential for delivering consistent and uniform brightness from corner to corner across such a massive display with so many pixels, and it turned out to be even more energy efficient too, powering 4x more pixels with 30% less power. Highly efficient LEDs. Powering so many pixels without overheating the display or compromising the thin iMac design required more energy efficiency. So we switched to highly efficient LEDs for iMac with Retina 5K display, reducing power consumption while maintaining a high standard for display brightness. Just have a look below, like pixels, organic passivation and data lines. Organic passivation with 4 times as many pixels within the same 27-inch screen, clear communication required organic passivation or overpass technology, an innovation introduced in iPad with Retina display. It separates the pixels from the signals that tell them when and how to light up, preventing any crosstalk or interference that could result from putting so many pixels so close together. This maintains the quality of the image on screen and keeps energy from being wasted while those signals are being transmitted. Together with the Oxide TFT, these innovations not only made the massive 27-inch Retina 5K display possible, they also enabled it to consume 30% less power than the previous generation iMac display. Organic passivation and efficient LEDs, delivering true-to-life imagery from every angle. Photo alignment. To improve on axis contrast, we implemented an advanced process called photo alignment. This involves shining UV light to create a uniform terrain across the film coating on the TFT and color filter. So when the liquid crystal molecules are applied, they lie exactly where they should. Better aligned molecules mean you see better contrast when you're directly in front of the display. Compensation film. A display like this is the kind that people gather around, and at this size, even when you're looking at the center of the screen, you see the corners at an angle or off axis. To make sure the contrast is perfect from every angle, we added a compensation film that controls how the light exits the display. The result is a display with blacker blacks and true colors no matter where you view it from. Like compensation film as well as photo alignment. Calibrated for true to life color. None of these innovations would matter much if the iMac Retina 5K display didn't deliver vivid true to life color, which is why we put every display to an exacting color calibration process using state-of-the-art spectroradiometers. This equipment is tuned to meet color standards recognized around the world for precision and accuracy. As thin as before, more brilliant than ever. The first iMac was a revolution, an all-in-one computer that put everything: display, processor, graphics, storage, memory, and more inside one simple stylish enclosure. Today, iMac includes the most advanced, most brilliant desktop display we have ever built, and it's full with the latest high-performance technologies. Yes, it's still just 5 mm thin at its edge. Seamless designs. One of the biggest challenges our engineers faced with the iMac enclosure was how to join the front to the back. The enclosure is so thin, it's not impossible to weld the pieces using traditional methods. So we searched far and wide for other ideas, and we found one in process called friction stir welding. It's commonly used on aeroplane wings, rocket booster tanks, and other parts that simply cannot fail. This process uses a combination of intense friction generated heat and pressure to intermix the molecules of the two aluminum surface, creating a seamless, precise, and super strong joint. You may not see it, but this iMac wouldn't be possible without it. 5 mm edge, iMac and the environment, energy efficient. Even while driving a highest resolution display ever, the most powerful AMD graphics, and a most advanced desktop operating system, the 27-inch iMac with Retina 5K display uses just 1.2 watts of electricity in sleep mode. Environmentally friendly. iMac is free of many harmful toxins, including mercury, arsenic, BRF, and PVC. It's also made from materials such as aluminum and glass, which are more likely to be recycled and reused. In fact, the iMac base is made from 30% recycled aluminum, and the iMac speaker enclosure is made with 30% post-consumer recycled plastic. Responsibly designed. As a result of all our efforts, iMac far exceeds the stringent low power requirements set by the US Environmental Protection Agency, giving it Energy Star 6.0 qualification, and it has earned the highest rating of gold from EPEAT, which evaluates the environmental impact or a product based how recyclable it is, how much energy it uses, and how it's designed and manufactured. Thank you for watching. Do appreciate your concern for watching if this collaboration doesn't sound random, and do subscribe for our upcoming next videos. If you're inspired with our collaboration, do like our videos. If not quite sure, then dislike the video in accordance to your perception. And if this collaboration gives a quick query or ideas, do comment us below. Goodbye.